everyone, quick little tutorial video on Swank. You will need to log in using your Google credentials. When you are logged in, you will come to this main page. You'll notice that at the top, there is the licensed content that the district has purchased. There are over 200 educational videos and movies that you can select from. You can do a search specifically for a title by clicking here and typing your title. If you'd like to see a listing of all of the movies, you can click on See All. You can then use the filter feature if you'd like, and you can filter through based on license status, foreign language film, rating, release date, and also subjects and themes. As you can see, there are several different subjects and themes that you can choose from. Once you have found the movie that you wanted, you can watch it with your class over the smartboard by clicking on the watch button. You can also share it out to your class via Google Classroom or with a direct link. If you're going to use Google Classroom, you will need to copy the LMS link and then push it out onto your Google Classroom. The students will only have access to the video that you are sharing with them. If you do not see the movie in our licensed content, you may scroll down to Swank Catalog and see if the movie or video that you're looking for is there. You can do a search in the search box. Once you have found your movie, you will need to contact your IMC specialist, and they will be able to send out a request to Swank